Hello motoristas! Last episode, we started our ride from Luzon to Western Visayas. We had late lunch at Ramboy's Malay and discovered one of the best liempos I've tried. Today, we are heading to Kalibo, the capital of Aklan Province. If it's your first time here, my name is JT and I have a quest of touring the 81 provinces of the Philippines on 2 wheels within 3 years. I track my progress by putting markers on my printed map. Make sure to check out the video section of my channel. That liempo is indeed one of the best I've tasted. The key is obviously in the marinade. After that satisfying meal, we started heading to Kalibo where we will spend the night. On the way though, we'll stop at some beautiful spots that the guide recommends we check out. Aklan was once part of Capiz and became an independent province through Republic Act 1414 signed by President Ramon Magsaysay in 1956. It has a population of more than 500,000 people in the 2015 census. The province covers a total area of more than 1,800 square kilometers. They have several festivals, but the most popular is the Ati-Atihan, which we will experience ourselves very soon. It is also famous for Boracay, a resort island 1 kilometer north from the tip of Panay. It is also known for its white sandy beaches and is considered as one of the most prominent destinations in the Philippines. It was breathtaking. Instead of the main road, we took a more scenic route with views of the sea and mountains. Along Tangalan, Ibahay Road is this awesome spot for some Instagram-worthy photos. It actually reminded me of that similar spot near Cabiang Tunnel, with the rocky hills and the view of the ocean. How can I forget? That's where my drone crashed and got stuck. I was hesitant to fly my drone here, but it was too beautiful to let it pass. Kaya habang nagpapalipad ako ng drone, ibang level ang ngatal ng kamay ko.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as for you ends me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer.
One last stop before we have dinner at the Backyard Resto. We were supposed to tour Jawili Falls the next day, but since it's on the way, we opted to briefly check it out. Jawili Falls! So sa tabing kalsada lang pala siya. Oh, yun na pala, kita na from here. We decided to drop by. Medyo madilim na nga lang. Oh, it's also a resort pala. Jawili Falls and Resort. So meron mga nagkakantahan na dito. Wow, that's Ave Maria pala. Ooh. Doggy! I was supposed to use the Hero 7. Kaya lang, sobrang pangit ng performance niya in low light. So, ito na lang. Ah, marami pala siya. Okay, so pwede ka maligo dito. Marami siyang tiers. So, di na tayo pupunta doon syempre. Zoom lang natin. So, yun yung pinakatuktok. Pretty sure pwede kayong umakyat doon. Ito yung stairs. Kahit kayo hanggang doon sa taas para sa tuktok. And then, pwede kayong magpahulog na lang dyan. From there. Dito. This is the bathing area, obviously. Linaw ng tubig. Pero mabato siya. Pero kung gusto mong magtampisaw lang talaga, I think this will do. Yan, doon ka sa taas.
Yun yung daan.
Oo, pataas, no?
Hanggang 7 days.
Dami.
So, malalim na yan. 10 feet na yan.
Ah, talaga? 10 feet? 10 feet na pala yun. Ito na yung baba niya. Magkano entrance dito?
5 pesos.
5 pesos? Pwede ka na maligo? Wow! Diba? Picnic ka na. So, if may mga kubo-kubo dito, siguro babayaran mo lang yung cottage nito, no? I'm not sure how much, pero again, the entrance is just 5 pesos. Siguro cottage lang babayaran nyo. You can bring food, bring your family, have a good time. Now after dinner, because it's still Ati-Atian Festival, we were expecting heavy traffic and some blocked roads in the area. And we reached the Backyard Restaurant. The Backyard Restaurant. So, imagine mo, this place, do, malaki pala yung place na yan. Meron parang function room or function place na nireserva para sa atin. Yan, oh. So, halos masolo namin yung parking area. Papunta na tayo doon. Alam mo naman, kakakain lang natin. Kakakain na naman tayo. Botchogan na to. O, tara. Parking area. Tong entrance. And ito, oh, na-prepare para sa atin. Oh, kakain na naman tayo. Pero may nakaabang sa labas na ang tagal daw naghihintay. O, pakilala ka muna.
Hi, I'm Edmar Europa from Bangat Lunch.
Yan. Naghihintay yan kanina pa. Halikas, dyan ka sa amin. Ano yan? Uy! Wow naman! May pasalubong. Teka, bababa ko muna to.
Lempo po.
Lempo? Wow!
Ramboys.
Uy! Ramboys! Alam mo, nag-lunch kami nito. Gustong gusto ko siya. Parang ma-sense mo ah. Ma-sense mong gusto ko to. Salamat Edmel ah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Join ka sa amin. Halika. Dito ka dito. Halika. Everyone, this is Edmel.
Hi, sir.
Motorista. Naghantay. Kanina madaling araw pa raw siya dito. Hindi, joke lang. Yan, kilala naman si Winnie the Pooh. Tanda mo yan. Nagdala siya oh.
Nagiging tradisyon.
Oo. Ano to? Liempo ulit. Yung gusto natin. Uy! Ito pala, ikaw ba magsasabi ko ng bestseller?
Bestseller. Lahat yan, sir, bestseller. Papakilala ko kayo sa una.
Si Sir Dency. He's one of the owners. Mga partners kasi sila dito. We've heard good reviews about this place. So, excited kami, sir.
Welcome.
So, since kailan ba to?
October 2000, last year. October last year. So, bago lang, barely 3 months.
For what food are you proud of?
Modern Filipino food siya. More on ihaw-ihaw.
Okay.
And then yung meron din mga regional foods. Seafoods.
Oh. So, favorite ko yan yung mga seafoods eh.
Talaba. Famous kasi yung Kalibos sa Talaba.
Binibiro ko sila kasi very unfortunate. Allergic ako.
Oh.
Pero may antihistamine naman. So, any particular specialty na food mismo?
Yung kansi namin, kansi.
Kansi.
Yung parang bulalo.
Is it beef then as well?
Yes.
Beef, kansi.
Yung seafood platter namin, consist siya ng inihaw na squid, may prawns, talaba, and isda. Tangili na isda.
Great.
So malaki na yun, pwede na yun. Good for 10.
Good for 10.
When you visit Kalibo, try to check backyard. We're located here in Old Buswang, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy our food and our place as well.
Okay, thank you. Oh, just a curious question. Curious lang ako, no? Why the backyard? Because is this your backyard talaga of your
Kasi
residence?
yung concept namin is yung parang we can consider it's our own backyard. Parang ganun na, parang chill lang yung
Yes, homey.
Parang homey, parang ganun.
Oh, I see.
So we name it a backyard.
I see. All right. Thank you so much, Sir Dency.
Sige.
All right.
Thank you,
Nice
Del.
meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's tour the place first. This is the parang yun nga, function area. This is the dining area. Okay. Then this is the bar, parang bar, or ito yung pinaka-counter. Hello ate, smile naman dyan ng konti. Konti lang. More dining places, dining area. And meron ding outdoor. Yan ang outdoor. Ang ganda. Oh, so nasa kanto siya. Malaki. Ayun, kita-kita naman, oh. The backyard. Ito yung signage na. Okay. Ganda. Very refreshing yung ano niya, style niya. Oh, mule. Pwede pala ito happy. They also have ano, they also have pastillas, some dessert. Okay.
Tapos mga beer na pinsel, gulay.
Ano ay? Wala.
Si Sir Dong. Sir Dong, yung ride ngayon, para sa'yo to. Mga 5 rev, kada ano ko, kada ship ng gear, 5 rev.
At saka si Dang. Si Dong at saka si Dang, oh. Ding dong dang.
I'm vlogging, you're vlogging.
Vlogging, may vlogging.
Yes. Saan ba i-upload to? Sa Friendster? Uy, ayun na agad.
Talaba, oh.
Oh my.
Ma-hybrid dito.
Ito yata ang papatay sa akin.
May talaba. Nagim kayo ng talaba.
Allergic kaya ako dyan. There's only one way to find out, no?
Oo, taste it.
Kansi! Oh! Ito daw yung bolala version nila. Wow! Purang garlicky. Puro garlic. Parang puro oil. Parang ano to, putok-batok talaga. Pagka sip-sip mo ng ano niya, ng sabaw niyan, inom ko agad ng malamig na tubig, di ba? Parang perfecto agad. Oh man! It's very flavorful. So kitang-kita niyo naman, garlicky. Ang ibabaw yung garlic flavor and para siyang bulalo nga, na thicker. Tapos mas maraming condiment siguro. Tako! Here's your salad. Sinuklaw. Oh, parang kinilaw na ano. Brother, thank you ulit ha sa iyong pasalubong. Okay ba tayo dyan mga sirs? Okay ba food? After the meal, we left and looked for the place we were booked in, Aranas Carillo Travelers Inn. The others booked in a different place and we'll just meet Summer tomorrow morning. There's a gated parking space where our bikes can easily fit. The stairs were really steep. Buti na lang sa third floor pa ako, di ba? We were excited because tomorrow we will cover the Giants Parade, which is part of the Ati-Atihan Festival. It is one of the highlights of this tour. After charging the gadgets and swapping memory cards, I slept like a baby. Next episode. Takot naman ang mga kahoy dito, parang bibigay.
Welcome to Maldivo!
Uy! Nilalaslas nga!
Dapat ito meron. Hindi nabubuhay yan.
Puro vlog!